Hey guys, Brendan with ECU Team here, and we have an E46 cluster in for repair or potential replacement. So when we get these in these particular jobs, we don't actually power it on our bench first because there's a shot that these usually are catastrophic failures and could do damage to our bench simulator. So what we do is we just power up the main connector with power and ground and see what happens just off of the power supply, and that's it. And when we did that, the only thing that showed up was the ABS light. That's it, nothing else. Nothing else lit up, which is a good indication that something is wrong with this cluster big time. So, need a small Torx, a flathead to get this apart. We're going to start getting it apart. We're going to have a look inside and see what we can find here. So, we'll start with a couple Torx here. Remove some Torx. After this, we pry this thing open certain places and you'll be able to find. Oh, this one came up nice and easy. It's this guy. Okay. Alright, before we even take it out of here, I can see. Look at this right here. You can see a blown cap, some blown traces. You can see that. This step down, this is a regular switching regulator right here. Probably destroyed. And oh, there's something else. This is a transistor, probably. Definitely gone. So it's a good thing we didn't. This is the reason we don't power it on with our full bench sim, because it could actually do damage to it. So we're going to see if we can repair this, or if it's sometimes it's too much work to repair. So what we end up doing is just odometer matching to a new one, and get them going again. So we're going to go ahead and take this down further and see if we can get any more fixed on it. Alright guys, we've done the cloning, and here we are with the new fixed remand cluster. We went ahead and remanufactured a new one and matched the Auto instead of trying to repair the other one. And I have the cluster sitting here, the new one. Here's the BMW ICOM. Go ahead and choose E46. We're going to go ahead, since we always do this, we go through and do a system check. We go deeper, but I'm only going to show you a basic check. Instrument cluster, go up in there, ignore these guys. Okay, come down here to activate, and test. If we see that, typical gauge sweep, we know everything is functioning normally. Okay, I'm going to go back, and that's going to be it. And his mileage was something around 132,803, which we matched. We will only match with what is given to us from the customer. This is ready to go back. Oh, there's one more check actually. Let's see. Let's go back in here. Body, instrument cluster. Go into identify 69408777. This clutch 69408777. So we're good there. That's it. Thanks for watching. Contact us for all your cluster needs, ECU Team.